Hello, my students, grade 2, how are you? Today we'll explain lesson number 8, topic 5, critic reasons. You can counting to think the answer about subtract between the number like this 45 subtract by 29. Bill collected and sells seashells. He has 45 shells. Find 29 shells and sells 20 shells. How many seashells does Bill have now? Laura says you have to subtract 45 minus 29 and then 820 to solve the problem. We agree with Jerry's thinking. Circle the answer your picture down here. Agree or don't agree? Again, Bill collected and sells seashells. He has 49, finds 29, and sells 20. We must eat first 49 plus 29, then subtract by 20. But 45 subtract by 20? No, we must eat first. Then I don't agree about that. Step 1, we must eat 45 plus 29. 45 plus 29, we can add 1 to 29 will be 30, and 45 subtract by 1, 44. We can collect together, the result will be 74. Step 2, 74 subtract by 20 equal 54. So Bill has 54 shells now. You need to eat 45 to 29 first because Bill finds 29 shells. Then find you subtract 20 to take, okay? Then you must choose don't agree. The correct answer here about 54. Circle your answer, use the picture word this question up. Look at here. You can find 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Then collect 5 plus 10 plus 2, that will be 17. And 15 plus 17 is only 32. And 15 plus what equal 42. Count from 15 to 42, the result will be 27 left people. Okay, about this question, we have 42 people are swimming. Some people leave. Now 15 people are swimming. Really added up to subtract says 17 people. Correct or not, we can find 42 subtract by 15 to find the result. Okay, 42 subtract 15, count from 15 to number 42. Okay, first step, she do it by 2 steps like this, going to 32 and then complete also. But the first count 32. You won't find going to 42. The correct answer will be 27. So 27 people left, not 17. Okay, because we can find the difference between 42 and what 15. The answer will be 27, not 17. But she counted to 32. Understood? Next question. What question would you ask Kelly to help her check her reason? Simple answer, I would ask her to find 15 plus 17 when an open number is a line. And I would ask her if the sum is 42. 51 people were on the train. 33 people left train. How many people are on the train? Okay, we can find the difference between together. Ryan says 10 people he break apart. Use break apart strategy. 33 into 33. Then subtract each number. 51 subtract by 3 and then subtract by 3. 51 minus 30 equal 21. 21 minus 3 equal 18. That is correct. The simple answer here, we can write yes, agree. Because I can subtract by using each part strategy. 33 equals 30 plus 3. First step, 51 subtract by 3, 21, and then I count back to find the answer. 21 minus 3 equal 18. So the result will be incorrect. You can use break part strategy. Next question. We'll put 53 button in the box. Okay. Next question. We'll put 53 buttons in the box. Marcy 15 buttons in another box. Jordan says Mercy says 33 fewer. He put 53 buttons in a box and Mercy put 15 buttons in another box. Jarud says Mercy has 33 fewer buttons in than Jill. He thinks 53 minus 20 is either to subtract 53 minus 17. We subtract this 53 minus 20 and get 33. Do you agree or not agree with Gordon's thinking? Not agree, because if you want to find about 53 minus 20, Judy changed the problem about 53 subtract by 17 to 20. It's not. You must find the actual number. He using approximating to find the answer. No, don't find the approximate. He wants the exact answer. Okay, 53. Listen, 53 minus 20. You can write 53 minus 20 first. The answer subtract by 3, not 83. Okay, not 83. So you can use this example to find the answer like this. I will explain here the steps. Okay, look at here. 53 subtract by 17. We can write 53 subtract by 20 and then plus 3, not 83. 53 minus 20, we can find the result. 3 minus 0 equals 3 and 5 minus 2 3. 33 plus 3 equals 36. Then the correct answer must be 36, not 33. Okay, because you must eat 3 here. The result is 3 to the answer. He ate 3 and then subtract 3 also. No, it's not correct. Not correct. So I don't agree with him. Garud changed the problem to 53 subtract by 20. If you add 17 plus 3 to get 20, you have to add 3 your answer. So 53 minus 17 is 36. So 53 minus 17 equivalent to the result will be 36. You must know these tips. Okay. Next question. And now, agree or not agree example. Look at her. Rob has 68 more puzzle pieces than Anna. Rob has 90 puzzle pieces. Carlo says Jana has 20 puzzle pieces. Carlo says he found 90 minus 68 using a Robin number line, and she added up 2 and 20 more from 68 to get 90. We can find the difference between two numbers like this. Look at here. 90 subtract by 68. We can write here 90 subtract by what? By 70. And then we can add 2. Subtract by 20 because 68 there is 270. Subtract 70 first and then add 2. The result will be 20 plus 2. It's equivalent to 22. Then add to this number, negative 2. And then add 2 here. The result exact. So I agree the answer. You can explain the steps here. I can draw an open number line like this to count up from 68 to 90. 82 to count 70. 70 plus 10. 88 plus 10 equal 90. And the difference between them equals 68. Next question. Question here, number 4. What steps do you need to take to solve the problem up? Read the first 3 chapters of a book. Chapter 1 has 11 bags. Chapter 2 has 7 bags. Chapter 3 has 9 bags. 9 bags. Still read 46 pages of her book. How many more pages did Sally read than Rick? Okay, first we can read to find the answer. Okay, you want to find how many pages did Ricky read? 3 chapters. First, chapter 1 for 11. Chapter 2, 7 pages. Chapter 3, 9 pages. We can collect 11 plus 7 equal 18 plus 9 equal 27. Then Ricky, she read 27 pages. And the other one 46. We can find the difference between 46 and 27 right here. 46 minus 27. Find the difference using any strategy to find the answer. You can use big part strategy. 46 subtract by 27. We can write 46 subtract by this number nearest to 30. Subtract by 30 plus 3. 46 subtract by 30. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 3 equal 1. And then S3, the result will be 19. Okay, this is the difference between them equal 19. So the steps about this answer you can write here in the place. First, find how many pages Ricky read, then subtract that number from 46. I know 1 plus 9 equal 10. I can add 11 plus 9 equal 20. Then 20 plus 7 is 27. Explain as the number line, we can start at 27 plus 10, 37, 37 plus 10, 46, 46 plus 1, 47, then, or count back, then 10 plus 10, 20, plus minus 1 is 19, okay? You can use this method to find the answer. You can check your answer about this active, okay? Fluent active, you can check the answer and the play. You can check your answer, page 221, okay? It's a very easy question. Find the answer and then check exactly true or false. You can use open number line. You can count back or add up by using open number line. Find 32 minus 7. You can use a break part strategy to find the answer. The answer to subtracting problem is called difference. The answer to subtraction problem is called what? We called it the difference. There are 6 ones in the number 36. In 43 there are 14s. 76 there are 17 6 ones. Break part strategy, 65 minus 8 equal 57. Next question, simple answer. Use combination to make numbers that are easier to subtract 8, 1 to both numbers. So 54 subtract by 19 becomes the answer. You can use the answer here about number line like this. Look at the tips. 54 minus 19 equal. We can write 54 subtract by 20 plus 1. We can find the difference between two numbers. 4 minus 0, 4, 5 minus 2, 3, plus 1 equals 35. The answer here will be 35. Okay. And also you can check all the solution. Review, okay? Review the answer. Check. I explained all this question last time as a book. This question you can solve by yourself and check your answer, okay? Is a question. I explain all these tips about this. Like this number 45 minus 8, we can use here break part strategy. Equal 5 plus 3, then 45 minus 5, 40, 40 minus 3 equals 37. Next time. Look at here, check all nuts. It's all review. Okay, review all answer. Now subtract as a number line. Okay. Check your answer also from this. 6 question. Next time I will explain topic number 6. Okay.